Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be calling some scammers. I don't know how good these numbers are, but we shall give them a try. My favorite number that I get is an 877-784-3172. So it's like the first time I called it, it was a refund scam. And then the second time I called it, it was a rewards redemption scam. So I'm going to try a few things. I might do a pop-up scam. I got a couple of pop-up scams, and I know you guys have been kind of rating these calls. So I wonder if I'll get a triggered scammer today. So all right, let's get this going. I hope everyone is doing good. So let's just call this number. Nope, not that. Oh yeah. Let's try my favorite number. Yeah, I think I called Archie's on this number. So if you guys haven't checked out the video, this guy, he explains about 10 minutes that there's no S at the end of his name, so he's fucking ridiculous. So I don't know what this number's gonna be, but let's find out.
Number you have dialed is no longer in service.
Oh, I typed it wrong. Sorry, guys.
Free number you have dialed is no longer in service. Please check.
Okay, maybe I did put it in right. Well, shucks. That was a good number, too. But
Press 0 to speak to executive.
who am I speaking to? Hello?
Please press 0 to speak to executive.
Okay.
Thank you for calling Microsoft. This is Mike. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi, Mike. My name is Gladys. I am calling about my computer.
So what is the issue with your computer, ma'am?
Well, I was looking on YouTube about how Blumpkin is given, and I got this pop-up saying that my computer has been infected and that all my files and stuff has been hacked, and if I close out my computer and restart it, that my files will be deleted.
So may I know, did you click on any link or any advertisement on YouTube?
Yeah, I meant to see what a Blumpkin was, and I was gonna click on like Google Answers or whatever, but I accidentally clicked on the link below, and my computer is now compromised.
It looks like there is an infection. You should not click on that link, ma'am. Alright, is it your office computer or it's a home computer?
It's a home computer.
And do you share it with anyone, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I will guide you to follow some basic steps so that we can find out what is the root cause of the problem and we can fix the issue. Okay?
Okay.
So I will guide you to just share your computer screen so that I can manually do it. Can you have a look at the board? At the very bottom left, there is a window key. Can you see the window key?
Yeah, I do.
So please press and hold the window key. While holding it, press R as a Romeo.
Okay. I gotta blow my nose. Hold on. Ugh. Okay, that's much better. I'm sorry. I'm allergic to bullshit. Okay, so the Windows key, I wanted to say that it has a lock underneath it, and I was wondering if my computer will lock up even more if I use it. Oh, I press R.
So do you have a new window on the screen, like a run?
Run?
Yes, on the bottom left of your screen.
I don't know.
So what do you see in the run?
Oh, I feel like I gotta sneeze again.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I am.
Why didn't you
I got allergies.
watch it?
I got allergies. I'm okay.
Oh. Okay, so one more time. Press and hold the window right now.
Okay, that's much better. Okay, so you wanted me to press Windows R?
Yes.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Hold on. Okay. Alright, I did that.
Now what do you see on the screen? A new window? Like a run?
I see type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. And there's an underline of like open.
Yeah, what do you see in open?
I see okay. Cancel and browse.
Can you type in that box www dot?
Okay. Okay.
F-A-S-T, fast.
F-A-S-T. So is it is it like a F as in fancy?
Yes.
Okay. I got that.
And support. S-U-P-P-O-R-T
Okay.
.com.
Alright.
So what did you type? Can you repeat?
I typed in www.fastsupport.com.
And click OK. So can you see establish support connection? Type your name.
I don't see anything. It says sorry, the website www.fastsupport.com cannot be found. Oh god. I feel one coming.
Click OK.
I feel one coming. Hold on, let me. Okay, I'm sorry, sir. Oh man, my nose is really stuffy now from all the mucus, you know. Oh, these damn allergies are getting real bad. My eyes are really itchy and stuff, so I'm like, I can't even talk right. Okay. Alright, so it says sorry, the website www.fastsupport.com cannot be found. I swear I should stay away from the cayenne. Okay, go ahead. Wait, yeah. I had too much cayenne in my tacos. What am I doing?
Do you have any option on the screen?
Option?
Yes.
I have fast support get results now from spotter.com. Fast support updated here at pronto.com. And I have fast support search and find at kinsack.com.
Okay, can you one more time press and hold window key and R at the same time?
Okay, hold on. Let me close this out. Oh my god. No, not again. This is awful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, the snot is just dripping out of my nose. Hold on, I got blood. It's just really bad. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, my nose hurts so bad. Okay. What do you want me to do again? Oh my god, I can't even see straight. The tears are just running down my face. It's just, my eyes are so watery. Okay. So, the Windows key and the R button. Okay. Alright, sir. I got that.
So can you see the run window run?
Yes, sir. I can.
So what do you see in the run?
It's I see type this name of a program, folder, and document or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. And there's like the open underline, and it's blank.
Now type www dot
Okay.
F as a Frank, A
A
as an
thousand
apple,
festering wound. Okay.
A as an apple,
A as an anus. Okay.
S as a sugar,
S as in sugar, like give me the sugar. Okay.
T as a Tom,
What is it? T as in Tom?
T as a Tom,
Okay, T as in tomahawk, because I want to hit you over the top of the clock. Okay. Alright, got
S
that.
as a sugar, S as a sugar,
S as in sugar.
U as a uniform,
U as a unicorn.
P as a Peter, P as a Peter,
Okay, P as a penis. Got it?
O as a Oscar,
Oh, is it up? Just.
now click OK.
Alright, sir. Okay, so I press okay. No, it's really
Yeah.
hard. Okay. It says sorry, sir. www.fasapo cannot be found.
Okay, yeah, it looks like your net as well as your services are not working. I will guide you to check few things by yourself. May I know how old is your computer? Like a 1-year-old, 2-year-old?
I think it's like 5 years old.
Okay. Ma'am, it looks like that your computer, the root cause of the problem is that is with the security. And you are receiving infection from the internet. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I just blew my nose again. The pollen is really bad. I'm sorry, sir. Okay, what am I doing?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm saying that it looks like that the network security for your computer has been expired. That is the root cause of the problem. That's why you have an infection, ma'am. So I will assign your case to a security department. They will take care of it, ma'am, okay? They will activate the security and they will make it safe and secure.
Sir, are you there? Sir?
I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can
I'm
hear
here.
you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm saying that I will assign your case to the security department. They will take care of it. And in order to fix it, ma'am, and activate your coverage and the security warranty, there will be a one-time fee. So do you want me to check how much it will cost you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, it depends on like for how long you want to activate the computer security.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, sir. Go ahead.
So I was saying that there's only three options. Either you can activate the basic, that is for 1 year, and maximum that is for 3 year and the 5 year. Which one you want me to check?
Whichever's cheapest. I'm on a fixed income.
The cheapest is that there is a 1 year. 1 year it will cost you $195.
Okay, I'll
Next
take
is
it.
the year. 3 year will cost you $295.
Well, I think the longer it's
So
activated, I think it'd be the best.
okay. So what do you want me to do, ma'am? You want me to wait for 1 year, or 3 year?
The 3-year, please.
Sure. Give me a moment. This computer, is it registered with your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you help me with your name, please? Your name.
My name is Gladys
Yes,
Rodbroke.
your name.
Yeah, Gladys Rodbroke.
Can you spell it for me, ma'am?
Yeah, just a second. It's G L A D.
Ma'am, there was a lot of noise. Can you repeat it once more?
Hold on. Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
Alright.
I just got you because of my throat. Okay. Alright, okay, it's G as in germs because there's a lot of germs in my snot. O as in lame ass. A as in anus. D as in dumbass. Y as in yo-yo. S as in Sam. Oh my god, no, not again. Oh god, it's stuck. Oh my god, here it comes, here it comes. Okay, sir. Okay, just try not to get all the snot. I got snot all over my shirt. Okay, so you got the first name?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
Exactly, even I don't have your first name.
my name is Gladys. Did you want me to spell it out again?
Okay. Okay, you give me your email, ma'am. Your email.
I don't have an email. I had to delete it whenever my crazy ex-boyfriend tried to stalk me and send me death threats.
And may I have your phone number, please?
Yeah, my number is Uh, just a second. I gotta wipe my eyes. Okay, my phone number is 321 685 658. I'm sorry. 658 9559. Sorry, so I'm getting lightheaded.
Yes. And your billing address, ma'am, your billing address?
69 Hershey Avenue, Beverly Hills, 90210.
90210. 90210.
Yes, sir. Oh my god, these fucking allergies. My nose hurts so bad. Okay, so I live at 69 Hershey Avenue, Beverly Hills, California, 90210. Oh, that one didn't come out this time. Did you get all that, sir?
Give me 1 moment.
Okay. Are you still there, sir?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Can you go ahead and just shut down your computer, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Can you just unplug your cable?
Okay, sir. Oh, my nose. Oh, it's so raw. Okay. Okay. I'm just restarting my computer. Okay, sir. Alright, sir, it's back on. Hello?
Yes.
It's back on,
I'm
sir.
here.
It's back on, sir.
Now what do you see on the screen?
I see Firefox. I see Caesar slots. I see Visual Game Boy. ZNES.
Can you open Firefox?
Okay, so I can open up Firefox, will ya? Okay.
Is it open?
Yeah, sir, it's open.
Now go to the address bar on the very top and then type www.
Okay.
Fast, F-A-S-T, F as a Frank, support, SUPPORT.com. So the fast support is a one word, and now hit enter.
Okay, sir.
Can you
Sorry.
please establish support connection?
Okay, sir. Okay, it says sorry. The website www.fastsupport.com cannot be found. Oh my God. He stayed on the phone so long. Oh shit, they're so fucking stupid. Well, at least I got one good scam bait in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. What was that? A good 20 minutes or something? So in case you guys are wondering, those are my real sneezes. But since I sneeze at random times, I never know if I'm going to get a sneezing fit or not. So I figured I would just like record my sneezing and me blow my nose. But he stayed on there for so long. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my videos. Yeah, so I'll be doing more of these, guys. So thank you so much. I love y'all. Okay, bye-bye. Oh my God. Holy shit, man. That was fucking amazing. 32 minutes. Oh my God. Okay.